Have you ever wondered how the world's most powerful and wealthy royals live? Today we look into the extraordinary, luxurious, and almost unbelievable lifestyle of Mohammed bin Salman, the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia, a man known for power, wealth, and global influence. 1. A life of royal power. Mohammed bin Salman, often known as MBS, is not just a crown prince. He controls Saudi Arabia's oil, economy, military, and the country's $1 trillion Vision 2030 plan. With this power comes a lifestyle that few people on Earth can even imagine. 2. The most expensive home purchase. In 2015, MBS reportedly bought the world's most expensive home, Chateau Louis XIV in France. This palace includes a private cinema, a giant aquarium, a wine cellar, 10 luxurious bedrooms, gardens with gold-plated fountains. The mansion is worth over $300 million and looks like a modern-day Versailles. 3. The world's costliest yacht, 140 to 220. One of the most iconic symbols of his luxury is the Serene, a super yacht worth over $450 million. It has 2 helipads, multiple pools, a submarine spa, cinema, and lavish rooms. It's like a floating palace built for royalty. 4. Art collection worth millions. MBS is also known for buying some of the world's most expensive artworks. In 2017, he shocked the art world by purchasing Salvator Mundi, a painting believed to be by Leonardo da Vinci, for more than $450 million, making it the most expensive painting ever sold. 5. Royal lifestyle and security. His lifestyle includes private islands, a fleet of luxury cars, exclusive travel arrangements, elite-level security access to the best hotels and resorts. Every move he makes is protected by a world-class security team. 6. Modernization plus global influence. Beyond luxury, MBS is also reshaping Saudi Arabia. He has introduced major reforms, allowing women to drive expanding tourism, building futuristic megacities like Neom, transforming the entertainment sector. His decisions influence the Middle East and global energy markets. Whether admired or criticized, one thing is clear. Mohammed bin Salman lives a life of unimaginable luxury and unmatched power. From billion-dollar assets to world-shaping decisions, his influence extends far beyond Saudi Arabia. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.